Hello, hello. I am going to be trying this 9 cat wafer treat. I'll look and see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll link it below. If you've ever had this before, what'd you think of it? I'm guessing it's hazelnut because of this indicator right here. And I am a fan of hazelnut. These are wafer cookies. And it looks like there's about 8 to 10 of these little sections. Can smell the hazelnut pretty good. Here we go. Good hazelnut flavor. And the wafer isn't as crumbly as other wafer cookies I've had. So this is actually pretty good. I would recommend these. These are really good. It's one of the better wafer cookies I've had. On a scale of 1 to 5 wafer-wise, I give this a 4. Solid 4 for sure. Yep. Pretty darn good. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't tried this before, do you like wafer cookies? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.